husband.
Seventh husband. You are the seventh husband. No, I have termed it as six husbands case. So seventh and gotirli. Yes. And against everybody 498.
498 and filing the maintenance criminal miss.
Against every husband. How long each husband has stayed? 1 year.
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. 1 year 6 months ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
6 months ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 498.
ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
All 6 times.
All 6.
This is going to be the exemplary cost on you.
One time.
You are playing with the law.
Charge sheet also filed against the respondent number 2 ಮೇಲೆ. Annexury crime.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 420 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Last time I have said all 6 husbands are there. Photographs
and marriage certificates.
Yes sir. ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ another proceeding for malicious prosecution I will permit. How many cases you file? Every 6 months change the husband, initiate 498A. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent seeks a week's time